Hi class, welcome back to another short lectures on ratio and proportions. At this point you should have watched the previous lectures on ratio and proportions. You know what they are, you know how to solve each of the problems, and so this will be another interactive in-class classwork. So it's not a lot, just 12 questions. Again, what you should do is that you should download the classwork as a PDF or image, open it, and then you should work on it on your own first. And this video will serve as purpose of checking answers with yourself and to make any self-corrections. Okay, so 12 questions. The instruction is to use cross multiplications. Okay, to solve the following proportions. Okay, so in each of the 12 questions here, each questions will have like a blank numbers, and we'll usually call that x. And we're gonna use cross multiplication. So number one, it will be x over 6 equal to 15 over 18. So do a cross multiplications like that. So 6 times 15 equal to 18 times x, the blank numbers. 15 times 6 will get you 90 equal to 18 times a numbers. And if you divide it by 18 on both sides, because at the end of the day you want to end up with the work you have is x equal to a numbers. So let's try to figure out what that is, because at this point here, I'm up until here at this point, I have 18x, of which the 18 is an obstacle for us to get to x standing by itself. So I have to divide by 18 in here, so 18 divided by 18 is just 1x, which is what we want, equal to 90 divided by 18, that will be 5. So in this case, we know that the blank number is equal to 5. Okay. Now let's take a look at second questions. Okay, number 2. I have blank over 3 equal to 16 over 24. Again, we will name the blank number as x. Now I have 3 times 16, because I cross multiplied like that, equal to x times 24. That will become 24 times x. 3 times 16 will get you 48, equal to 24 times x. In this case, divide by 24 on both sides, and you'll find out that x will equal to 2. Okay, number 3, I have 3 over 5 equal to blank over 15. So cross multiplications, 3 times 15 equal to 5 times x. 3 times 15 is get you 45, equal to 5 times x. Well, at this point, divided by 5 on both sides, so that x equal to 45 divided by 5, that is 9. So x equal to 9 in this case. Okay, I hope so far so good, and we're going to move forward. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. I have blank over 6 equal to 2 over 12. Well, obviously this one is a very easy one because from 12 to get to 6, you simply have to divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 gets you 6. If you divide by 2 to your denominator, same thing has to happen on your numerator, where you have to take 2 divided by 2. Well, obviously x equal to 1. But I will just stick with the instruction and use cross multiplications. Again, it's also to show you that both ways will work. So when I do cross multiplications, it will be 6 times 2, so 6 times 2 equal to 12 times x. 6 times 2 is 12, equal to 12 times x. Divide by 12 on both sides. You will reach down to 12 over 12 is 1, which is consistent throughout. So you can put, either you can write x equal to 1, or you can just put the 1 back to the blank. It doesn't matter. Okay, number 5. I have blank over 5 equal to 16 over 20. Again, put the x to represent the unknown numbers or the blank numbers. Now use cross multiplications. 5 times 16 equal to 20 times x. Okay, to continue with the math, 5 times 16, which get me 80, equal to 20 times x. Now divide by 20, x will equal to 4. Back here, x equaled 4. Number 6, 1 over 2 equal to blank over 8. Cross multiplications, 1 times 8 equal to 2 times x. So 1 times 8 is 8 equal to 2 times x. Divide by 2 on both sides, you will have x equal to 4. Number 7, I have blank over 8 equal to 10 over 16. So do the cross multiplication again. 8 times 10 equal to 16 times x. 80 equal to, that will be 16x. Divide by 16 on both sides. You have x equal to 5. So put the 5 back on the blank numbers, so you can write x equal to 5. Number 8. I have blank over 2 equal to 4 over 8. Cross multiply, 2 times 4 equal to 8 times x. 2 times 4 is 8 equal to 8x. Divide by 8, x equal to 1. Okay. I hope at this point you don't have much trouble solving proportions questions like that. Number 9, I have blank over 4 equal to 9 over 12. So 4 times 9 equal to 12 times x. That will be 36 equal to 12 times x. Divide by 12 on both sides. You have x equal to 3. So put the 3 here. Number 10 is 1 over 3 equal to 3 over blank. Cross multiplications, 3 times 3 equal to 1 times x. That will be 9 equal to 1x. Divide by 1 if you want. X equal to 9. Okay, number 11, I have blank over 2 equal to 4 over 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8 times x. 8 equal to 8x. Divide by 8. I have x equal to 1. Okay, let's take a look at number 12, our last questions here. Okay, number 12, I have blank over 2 equal to 10 over 20. So again, that is x. Do cross multiplications. That will be 2 times 10 equal 20 times x. 2 times 10 is 20 equal to 20 times x. So divide by 20 on both sides. X equal to 1. Okay, so the answers will be 1. Okay, so here we go. We finished 12 questions on solving proportions. This should help you in terms of your lectures as well as your homework as well. So good luck on those. I look forward to see you guys soon.